So I'm in the Dollarama today and just doing some browsing for all the Halloween decorations. Maybe get some ideas for some crafts or find something cool. Oh, what do you think of these? People either love them or they hate them. These garbage bags in the lawn. So here's the mask section. Here's some pet stuff. Oh, this is kind of cute. It's like a little ladybug or a little dog, a little bee. Okay, that's kind of cute. Jail terrier. Emoji mask, poop emoji mask. It's like not bad, $3. Got a Mexican mask. Some pirate hats. Let's see how much these are. $3. You got a policeman hat. That's kind of cool. Got some boas. These are always great. They're so messy though. Feathers always fall out. How much for the boas? So $3. Oh, this is cool. Kind of like a Jack Sparrow scarf thing. $2. Halloween socks. $1.50. Oh, that's good. And it's real brand. And they're fluffy and they're soft. That's cool. Oh, these are cool. $3 for Halloween tights. These are really cool. Ooh, mermaid tights. $3.50. Some clown decorations. Cape. $3.50 for a cape. That's cool. You can do a lot with that. Got some tiny tutus. What are these for? $2.50. Oh, these must be for like babies. Oh, they're so small. Oh yeah, it's for little kids. Oh, that's cute. Halloween skirt. $3.50. Tiny little wings. Got some glitter butterfly wings. That's a good deal. $2. Ladybug wings. And that's $3. That's a really good deal because then all you need is like black leotard. Got some t-shirts. This one's $4. That's kind of cool. Got some tails. These are cute. It's $1.25. A little angel halo. What's this? Oh, tiny hats, miniature hats, and that's $3.50. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Orange one. Crazy hair tubes. Cyberpunk for $3. And the cool thing is you can always like rip these apart after and use them for like, I don't know, like make something out of them after. Oh, this is cool. Light up scepter. How does this work? Is there a button? I don't know how this works. It's cool. How much is that? Oh, $4. Oops. Oh, there's some behind me. Ooh, Halloween lights. These are cool. $4. Eyeballs. $3. Oh, these are cool. What's that? It's like a light. It's $1.25. It's like a rat thing. Light up. Oh, that one's made out of glass. $3. Oh, these are cool. Decorations. Put a candle in there. Oh, lots of votive candles. Glow sticks. Oh, micro lights. These are awesome. $2. You can use these for anything. Cake decorations. Ice cubes, chocolate, witch hats, zipper bags. $1.25. Oh, these are cool. Cupcake things. Treat boxes. $1.25. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. $1.25 transfer for glass, so you can use your own glasses. Tablecloths. $4. That one's like a cobweb. Party syringes. They're for shooters. Cool. $4. Pumpkin scraper. Oh, I needed that. $2.50. I already did my pumpkin. I just used a spoon. These are cute. Little shooter glasses. $2. Halloween arm shooter glass. Oh, this is cool. Pumpkin eyes. $3. Oh, I want that. Oh, pumpkin changing lights. $1.25. Pumpkin decorating kit. It's cool. Oh, wow. Look at these. $1.50. That's cool. Oh, and goblets. $1.50. Ooh. $2. That's cool. Oh, these are cool. Come with a plastic straw. $1.50. That's awesome. Oh, party trays. That's cool. How much is that? $2. They're like chips and nachos. Some cauldrons for treats. Oh man, I need one of these. $1.25 for handing out treats. And then lots of treat bags. And candy. Oh, that's cool. Treat bags. That'd be cool. Cool. They have a lot this year. Candy. How much is the candy? Wow, $2. That's such a good deal. So much cheaper than Walmart. $3. Ooh, teeth. I love these. $3. Vanilla pumpkin. What is this? Decorate your own. Oh, it's like a cookie. Oh, that's cool. $2. That'd be cool for like a party. Gingerbread house. $4. These are so small though. I bought one last year and they're just like this big. Super small. Popeyes. $3. So cheap. Ooh. Oh, they're kind of hard. I like them when they're soft. $1. Ooh, these are cool. $1.25. They're more like a hard candy. That's kind of cool. Bubble rolls. Ooh, Skittles. How much is that? It doesn't say. What else? Marshmallows. Ooh, teeth. I like teeth. $3. Mouth pop. These are cool. Well, I hope you guys have a lot of fun this Halloween, and thanks for watching. And I hope you can find a cool costume. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you're going to dress up as this year, or what your Halloween decorations are going to be, or even tell me what your favorite Halloween candy is. Okay, well, I'll see you next time.